Hello everyone. This video demonstrates on how to roll back baselines. Usually, users perform check-in and deliver codes into the repository and create baselines to record the milestones. At some point of time during development, users might want the code to be rolled back to a different milestone baseline. In this video, I will show you how to use command line interface to roll back baselines. I have created a sample file and delivered to the repository and created a couple of baselines. This file is now having the latest change. SCM tools can be downloaded from jazz.net downloads page. Once the package has been downloaded, navigate to the package and go to Eclipse folder and type command prompt in order to go to the command prompt window. So before entering any command using LSCM, you will have to first log into the repository. Use LSCM login -r, the URI that specifies the location of the repository, -n, the nickname to the repository, -u, the username for the repository, -p, the password for the repository, and press enter. Now you have successfully logged into the repository. Use LSCM workspace replace component to roll back the changes. LSCM workspace replace component -all indicates all components in the target workspace will be replaced. -overwrite uncommitted replace components even though there are uncommitted local changes. -baselines indicates the given baseline is used to replace components. LSCM workspace indicates the name of the workspace. Stream indicates the stream name. -r is the URI that specifies location to your repository, and then press enter. The command has been successfully completed and the baselines has been rolled back. Before execution of the command, these were the contents of the file. After the command was executed, the content has been rolled back to the mentioned baseline. Thanks for watching the video.